Hello, good morning. So ayan, pakulo-pakulo lang tayo ng order for today. Bicol Express. Ayan, ang daming baboy, sitaw, sili. For sure. Ayan. So, pinak na natin. This is good for 60 packs. Kasama na yung rice with microwavable. So, ayan. Napakadami nating orders for today. And ito na. Tinikman.
Masarap. Sarap
Oh,
ng
sarap daw.
Bicol Express. Sarap. Sarap.
Thank you. Ayan,
Alam mo,
kinikilig-kilig
sobrang
ko.
sarap nito. Bumili na kayo. Murang-mura lang. Try na, guys!
At ayan. Kinikilig.
Sarap.
Subo pa lang. Halatang masarap. Action.
Masarap yung
Ito may pagka-shy type.
the best.
Pero masarap